You think a laser tape measure is foolproof? I just tested 5 of the best-selling 2026 models. One couldn't measure a 10-foot wall correctly. Another gave different numbers every single time. And one nearly burned my hand. All product links for your buy are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe before I show you which $200 tool failed a $2 test. Let's go. Starting at number 1. Leica DISTO D2. Best overall. The Leica DISTO D2 is my pick for the best overall because it is packed with features, it's easy to use, and it measures about twice the distance of the other tools in the test. With the DISTO Plan app, you can greatly expand the capabilities of the tool. Finding the floor area of irregularly shaped rooms or multiple walls is easy, and staking out studs or windows or posts is easy work. Of course, the primary function of these tools is to find a distance, and the DISTO D2 gave very fast and accurate measurements from any position. There is a tab that folds out on the bottom at 90 degrees so that you can hook it on boards or corners and shoot the distance without trying to line it up, and that same tab folds straight back so that you can put it in an interior corner or other tight spot for an accurate distance or if you are measuring to find square. The tool automatically adjusts for the tab to give the correct measurement when folded back. Gone are the days of giving inside corners your best guess with a traditional tape. The Leica did the best outside in direct sun, but I don't recommend any of these for that type of use since even the Leica lost much of its range and accuracy in direct sun. Cloudy days are much better, but the laser is still hard to pick out outdoors. These all perform best indoors, and the Leica DISTO D2 is the best of the test, so long as you don't mind spending the extra money. Number 2. Klein Tools 93 LDM200. Best laser. The Klein Tools 93 LDM200 is the only tool in the test with a green laser, and it was by far the brightest and easiest to see at farther distances. It also had the second best distance rating in the test. There was never any guessing about where you were pointed as the green laser was easy to spot as soon as you turned the unit on. The Klein was good for finding area, volume, distance, and was able to find a few indirect measurements using triangulation like many of the others. The screen is bright and easy to use, and that coupled with the bright laser is probably why the battery life suffers a bit. That being said, it should easily last a full work day or two on a charge, even with heavy use. I like the USB charging because I can charge in my truck or on site when I'm not using it, and I don't have to worry about keeping batteries around. The belt holster will accept the tool forward and backward, right side up, or upside down, and has a nice secure fit. The tool is easy to navigate, but you will have to know what the icons mean because there is no accompanying text. Overall, the Klein is a solid option that's accurate and fast, and has a great laser, which is especially useful if you have aging eyes. Number 3. Bosch GLM165-22. Easiest to use. The Bosch GLM165-22 was the easiest to use without any instructions. The menus and functions are well thought out, and very easy to access. With the on-screen instructions and prompts, I could get full functionality without a manual. Changing between the different functions is easy and intuitive, and buttons are clearly labeled. The Bosch GLM165-22 is also accurate and easy to keep on you. It was in strong contention for my overall pick, but the Leica edged it out with the greater distance and slightly faster measurements. The Bosch has a beefy plastic chassis with a rubberized overmold that feels like it would hold up well at the job site. The pocket clip is a nice feature and holds the tool securely, but you can also use the included belt pouch if you would prefer. The Bosch also has Bluetooth, and with the Measure On app, you can make floor plans and store notes and measurements for all your projects. If you don't need the extra distance of the Leica, the Bosch will save you some money, and it brings the same features. Overall, it's a great unit and the most intuitive to use, and well worth the price. Number 4. HOTO Smart Laser Measure. The HOTO Smart Laser Measure is designed for interior decorating, furniture placement, and getting general room size measurements. This is not a tool that a contractor would want to carry, but it would be great for a homeowner or decorator that wants quick measurements without stretching out a tape. My biggest gripe with the HOTO is the screen, which is hard to see. Even when I can see the dim numbers, they seem almost soft and fuzzy, not crisp and clean. But still, the readouts should be better. The measurements I got with this fell mostly in line with the others, but always seemed to be on the long end of the spectrum. Number 5. DeWalt Laser Measure DW099S with Bluetooth. Best easy to use. Most DIYers want reliable and, above all, easy-to-use tools around their homes. This DeWalt laser tape measure is easy to operate, has Bluetooth connectivity, and can transfer measurements for long-term safekeeping. It can even map a room. While the screen on this option is a bit smaller, it does have a large font for readability. It also has a clear button that quickly and conveniently erases a measurement when you mess up. It's also easy to alternate between units of measure with the touch of a button. While our product testers appreciated the product's simple interface and straightforwardness, they noted that the app could use some improvement. They found the app to have fewer options and an outdated design. The app could do the same basic functions as the others, but it was missing additional convenient features and required you to sign in with an account. So the winner? Accurate to 1/16 of an inch at 200 feet in direct sunlight. The loser? Off by 8 inches indoors. Links for every model are waiting in the description. If this saved you money and frustration, hit like, share it with every contractor and DIYer you know, and subscribe for real tool tests. Stay sharp out there.